noise. Hi guys, it's Panda, you're calling off. Star and Panda hosting our very first Star, you stay still. Be like your cousin. Anyways, opening a blind bag video and other stuff. Right, Star? Is that a piece of salt? Hey. Whatever. I calmed her down. Clean up my pee-pee. Okay, anyways. Our video here is, I need this. I'm taking the drink, Mom. I need this here, and, okay. All we have here is a little brush up going backwards so it feels open. Okay, there it goes. And Star, oh look, it's another one, Mom. I like this stuff. I like it.
You already have that one.
I know, but I still like it. Here, Star, you have it. Play a Panda with it. The heck? Anyways, Panda's getting sidetracked. As you can clearly see, he's looking away, or whatever. He, she, whatever you are. I can't remember. What is this one again? Oh, you shut up. Hey, Go. Go. Oh, you're such a sweet baby. Okay, anyways, next up is this little pet shop thing. Star, Panda, who wants to hold this? Neither of you? Jerks. You jerks. Shut up, Panda. And inside it just has coloring things, stuff like that, and a poster. Yeah.
2 posters.
No? Panda, what is up with you? She's serious. Anyways, the other thing is, Panda, shut up. Yes.
But I like it.
Panda. Star's being great. Come here, Star. Come here. Hi. Do you want kisses? Okay. There, kisses. Stop backing up, Panda. Stop. And the other thing is this My Little Pony little thing. Why are you doing that? Here, let me see Panda. Let me see him. Ow, he bit me! Okay, anyway, that's all this. And then here, this one also has a poster in it. Yeah, whatever. And then, let's just get this out from the other. Stop it, I'm serious. No. Ooh, Star, what's this, huh? Food? There's no food in it, baby. From yesterday. What is up there? What is up there? You keep looking at the ceiling. You're supposed to be looking at the camera. I don't see what's so great about a ceiling. Jerks. Okay, anyways, you get this minion thing with the Happy Meal box, which my mom got. Yep, there's this side, and then this side. Panda, stop stepping on it. And then this side, it's match all 5 minion pairs. Both the same. Doing the same pose and everything. Here's Star. Oh crap, Star does not like that. And then, Panda, you want to show this off? What Panda is holding? Oh, he literally is holding it. Wow. Let Star go. Let Star go.
She'll walk off the table.
No, she's not. She's going to be behind the camera. Oop, and she fell. Right, Star. Hi. Okay, anyways. This is a Dave toy. And your claws are in it, Panda. Panda likes
little toy.
Okay, anyways, it has Dave's the first one he shoots a rocket and everything like that. If you haven't seen it, sorry about the spoiler. And Star, don't put your butt in my face. Here, just walk around, okay? Just go walk around. Be adorables. Okay, anyways. Then we get this from the Happy thing. Carl. Stars.
They don't run low on batteries.
Okay, anyway, Star's gonna press it. Star presses my hand. Do it again, Star.
Can't do it.
Whatever. That, and then Milo, shut up. And then we get this little. Who's this again? Is this Carl or that Carl? Who's this? This is Carl. She goes, it's my baby. That's who. We just got our cat Kimberly Bells, and yeah. We get Carl. I just put him on his stand so Star can play with it. Don't know why, but she likes playing with tiny things. That was a fail. Hold this, Star. Star, I said hold it. Not drop it. Don't. Where'd your stand go? Was it in here? Star, where'd you put it?
You lost the stand?
No? There's one. Why is it looking at me? What is up there? You know, just look at the ceiling, guys, for a second. Don't lose it. Oh, there it is. I'm Star. I'm the star here. Why am I looking away? Look, Star. Look. It's up here. It's gonna fall on you. Or Panda. Let's put him on here. I forgot his name. What's his name again? Star! You don't like minions. Holy crap. Dapple. Star.
That's Nefario.
Dapple.
Dr. Nefario.
Dapple. She wants to play, Mom. Ow. Hi. You want to play. That's what you want to do. Oh, smack. Smack. She got all popped up at the book. See, we're walking on ponies. We're walking on ponies. YouTubers should have you. They wish to have you as their pets. Star, go. Go do it, walk across the screen. My star is the star of all your kitties who you think are stars. Smack. Star. Come on. Roll on the back. Come on, let's do it. That hurts.
Make sure she don't fall off the edge.
She's not. Are you grooming my hand? She's grooming me. Do it taste like salt? Because, yeah. You're licking me. Ow, she bit me. Panda, stop being so judgmental. He likes Dave. He, she. What are you, Panda? Oh, it's Panda. Panda's a little girl. She likes Dave. You're Panda, right? Just one Panda? Just one Panda?
Yes.
Hey, twins, what are you looking at? I'm serious. There's a bird on the ceiling. Looking at CNC. Apple.
Make sure they don't get on the farm. There he is.
I know.
He's dead.
I know, because they're dumb dogs. Why do you like playing with minion stuff? I'm serious. Star. Ooh, keep an eye on her.
No.
Fine, I'll pick her up with me. I'm getting something. Bringing our big Dave. Not Dave. Here's
Apple.
another minion. Apple. You're saying it wrong. It's Apple.
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 Yeah, but he can get popped by their claws.
I know. That's why I'm just going to let Star look.
From the first movie, you get the...
I kissed the face.
My first Dave, get it free from the first movie, when the movie first came out.
Hey, I'm in charge. I said you do not talk.
Or Despicable Me, the first. Not Despicable
Star.
2.
Stars in the can.
Huh.
And anything else we have
My
to
dirty
do?
table over there, and I cleaned it yesterday.
Oh, show off our hedgehog we just got. Powder. Oh, Powder's awake. For once. Star, Powder's awake. And you don't probably even hear. Don't fall off the edge. Look at your beautiful tail. Panda. Come here. Kisses? No? What are you doing? Is it time? Mom, I think it's time for a mini show compared with this. Ow! 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 You suck. I love you.
Don't lose the pieces.
Stop, and don't lose the star. Star, walk that way. Her tail's up. She just moved y'all on YouTube. Panda, you okay? Yes, Panda. Hey, 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 hey. I'm going to do it again.
Hey. Well, I was trying to make it nice and neat, but that's our Minion stuff.
Hey, screw
new movie.
you, Dr. Drew, and your stupid camera.
Minion from the old movie. First movie. Her cool box.
Panda, shut up.
Got all the
Ow! Mom, you just crushed Star.
got all the different Minions on the box.
It has all the different minions and all the battles.
Paper you get when you can pick up when you go to McDonald's. And her new little special book with 2 pull-out posters inside.
Do you know what she do, Mom?
And
Mom, do you know what she
her
do?
new My Little Pony book with 2 pull-out posters inside. And
I have a great idea.
her My Little Pony. Or not My Little Pony.
My little push up.
My
Get on
little
my shirt,
push-up.
Star. Star's on my shirt.
Music Tiny Pets. And there's a star in her Roy shirt.
Name sound Oh!
And the dog Coco barking.
Hissy.
I think Hissy's in the
She is! Oh, God! Hissy!
Yes!
Get out! Hissy!
We have a
Your
Hissy.
sister's stupid sometimes, man.
We have a Hissy in a box.
Should we show off our albino hedgehog while we're at it in your phone?
No, this is a pretty long video as it is. I can see hedgehogs on your shirt. That's enough.
No, but I want to show Powder on this one.
Fish tank? Yeah, we have an awesome house. Lots of pets.
Want to see our snakes? Let's show them our snakes.
No, I'm not walking for the house. I'm giving a house tour, animal tour. Oh, there comes the legend Hissy out of the box.
With a shiny new collar.
Alright, and on that note, we will say goodbye. Say goodbye. Don't play with those. She'll play with that.
Bye-bye. Give me kisses. Mwah.
That's too close. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.